Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the essentials. Open Control Center and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once done, tap AirDrop and choose contacts only or everyone depending on the recipient. Now open Photos, Files, or the app that holds the item you want to send. Select the item, then tap the share icon. This begins the AirDrop flow. You're initiating the connection here, so make sure the recipient's iPad is unlocked and nearby. Proximity speeds discovery and reduces failures. You'll see an AirDrop row in the share sheet with nearby devices as bubbles. Tap the bubble for the recipient's iPad. Once you tap, the system sends a connection request, watch the progress animation, and listen for the sound that confirms a transfer. The recipient must accept if required, otherwise it appears automatically. If the device doesn't show up, make sure both screens are on and unlocked, restart Bluetooth briefly, or switch AirDrop to everyone to force discovery while you're troubleshooting. When the recipient accepts, the transfer completes and the item opens in the appropriate app. Photos for images, files for documents. You should confirm receipt verbally or by noticing the file appear. If nothing arrives, make sure both iPads are unlocked and not on personal hotspot. Then toggle AirDrop, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth off and back on. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch AirDrop to everyone temporarily and move the devices closer. This resolves most discovery and pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.